Today we are talking about how to use a drain bladder to open a clogged sink drain. So these are the items you will see in the demonstration in the video today: a 6-foot garden hose, the drain bladder, and the faucet to garden hose thread adapters, both male and female, depending on what type of aerator you have on your faucet, whether you have male threads or female threads. The drain bladders come in different sizes: small, medium, and large. This one is a small one, designed for drain pipes from 1 inch up to 2 inch. So here is the items that you'll see in the video. These were purchased at Home Depot, with the exception of the small drain bladder I purchased online at supplyhouse.com for like $7. So it's important to remember the manufacturer recommends in their instructions that you fully insert the drain bladder 6 inches into the pipe at least, because that drain bladder, when you turn on the water, is going to expand against the inner wall of the pipe. So it's important to have it all the way in there for it to work properly and safely. So here's just sort of a demonstration of how you can hook up a garden hose to your faucet, kitchen faucet or bathroom faucet, by installing an aerator attachment, those adapters. So you hook up the drain bladder to the garden hose, and then you unscrew your aerator off the faucet. You can see that aerator has female threads, and I need to use a rubber gasket for the adapter. So I'm using the adapter again with female threads. I'll put the rubber washer in there and screw it in place. You may want to make sure your drain is closed, or put a rag over the drain while you're doing this, just so you don't drop small parts down the drain. And make sure your rubber washer is inside your garden hose fitting. Gently stick that rubber bladder down into the sink drain, and then carefully attach your garden hose to the faucet adapter. And then slowly turn on the water. And it'll shoot a jet of water out that small hole in the end of the bladder and pierce through whatever's clogging your P-trap or your drain waste vent pipe farther down. So you can see that stream of water comes out of the hole. And then when you're done, simply unscrew everything and you should be good to go. If you can't get to it from your sink drain, you can always put a bucket underneath your sink and unscrew your P-trap and stick the drain bladder into the drain pipe in the wall at least 6 inches. So again, that's a female adapter. I'm putting the rubber washer back on the aerator and reattaching the aerator to the faucet. I hope this helped. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.